Hitler, the name that still chills the spine of history. How did a failed artist, a man almost forgotten by the world, rise from nothing to command an empire of terror? This isn't just a story of ambition. It's a cautionary tale of how anger, fear, and desperation can build a monster. What led Germany to trust him? And what can we learn from their mistake? This is how Hitler came to power.
Have you ever looked at a simple Domino's pizza box and wondered, how did this become a global giant? Most people know Domino's for the 30-minute delivery guarantee, or those 2 red and blue Domino squares on the box. But almost no one knows the man behind it. A man who grew up in poverty, lived in orphanages, struggled through life, and still built one of the biggest restaurant empires the world has ever seen. This is Tom Monahan, and today, I'm going to tell you a story, not of a company, but of a person who turned rejection, hunger, and a broken childhood into an empire of 18,000 plus stores.